Hi, I'm Jill Adair from Jill Adair Cosmetics, and I'm a master makeup artist. And this is how to use eyeshadow as liner without smudging. So using eyeshadow as a liner without smudging is very difficult. And that's why we have Transfix, which is a liquid transformer, which means you can take any powder, a blush, an eyeshadow, anything you want. We're going to use an eyeshadow here, and we're going to put 1 drop of it, and it's going to become a liner that won't smudge. So I'm going to put a drop here, and then we're going to mix it up, and it's going to become a liner. And we're going to go ahead and use it on Rachel's eye, and it'll be waterproof. So it won't smudge, it won't smear, it won't come off until you use soap and water. You can get as much water on it as you want, and it just won't matter. It'll only come off with soap and water. So here we go. You can make it darker by adding more powder. You can make it sheer by adding more Transfix. So if you look up, I'm going to go underneath, and we're going to create a line right here, kind of a heavy line here. Go. Great. Good. Now go ahead and close for me. And here we go right across the top. And here we go right across the top. And now we've got liner. Made out of shadow. I'm Jill Adair from Jill Adair Cosmetics, and this was how to use eyeshadow as liner without smudging.